Hi everybody, my name is Mr4 and the guys behind the camera are Savvy Images. Today we have something special and something new for the market. We have the Itel TV, the 32-inch S321 TV. Today we'll be unboxing it and checking out the components and see how it works. This is the first of its kind here in Zimbabwe, so check it out. Now as we look outside this box, we have the Itel logo here, and this comes with the TV T2 and S2, a USB port, HDMI, earphone cord, coaxial, and mini YBPR. Yes. It also has ICAST, A+ panel, super bright and obvious. This is Itel, it's energy saving. And the Itel TV 12 months warranty, which means that this TV you can go and fix it at the Calcade Service Center. S321, that's the model number. The specifications here, I'm going to read it out loud and I'm going to talk about it. I'll be talking about it. Yeah, with the ICAST support, there's AC voltage of 110 to 240 volts, DC voltage of 12 volts, panel grade of A+, panel brightness of 200 CD per square meter. The panel resolution, that's 1366 times 768 high definition. The DVB is T2 and S2 support. It has one USB port, 2 HDMI ports, 1 earphone port, coaxial port is 1, mini YBPR is 1, AV in is 1, and then the speaker is 20 watts, right? And then packed by 13 contents, with the LED TV with the remote control, the user manual, the warranty card, and the TV stand. So it comes with the TV stand already inside the box. What's that advantage of this TV that we have right now? On the other side of the Itel TV, and the 12-month warranty and S321, the TV itself, and the product installation method. It shows you how to install the wall mount and the stand here on this other side, and this side up. Yes, so basically this is how our box will be looking like of the original Itel S321 TV 32-inch. The one that we have right now and the one we have in Zimbabwe right now is the 32-inch. Now let's see what's inside of this box. Yes. We have a security strip here. Make sure when you get this TV, it should be fresh from the box with this security strip with the Itel logo behind. So let me remove this security strip. So these are Itel TV. Let's check out the features. Source. Where's the source at? Yeah. HDMI, HDMI 2, ICAST, version YBPR, AV. Unfortunately, we don't have an antenna, so we won't be checking out the TV. Yes, let's look at the USB. Movies. Yes. So when you're playing this feature on our Itel TV, let's see how the sound quality is like. But I like the definition or the 4K. I can't say the 4K, but I like the resolution of this TV. Everything is very clear. Here you can change how the picture quality you want it to be, the brightness, the contrast, the sharpness, the color, the sound, depending on what you're listening to, the standard, the movie, the music. Here we're having a music video, so let's play music. You can see how it sounds like. The channel, the feature. So, interesting time. Yes? Yeah. Then,
Like that.
Now let's check out the ICAST version on this phone. Connect. One thing I like about ICAST, you can use ICAST when you're just chilling at your bed or sofa and everything else being on your phone. you're seeing it straight from the TV. Some other devices, the iCast is very poor. The quality that you see on the phone and the quality that you see on the TV are different. Let's see how this Itel S321. iCast, and we're using an Itel P36. Obviously, when it starts, yeah, we want that. Play that fire, bro. Yeah. So this is the iCast function that you find on this phone, on the TV. It is used in any smartphone, usually with Android 10 and above, even less, depending on the version of the phone. Okay, cool. Can you type something on your phone? So as you can see, the picture quality is mwah. I like the 1366 x 768 resolution of this TV. I kind of like the details, is just amazing. And the iCast, though the iCast sometimes get a glitch when you are connecting it, it's something that you should check it out when you are connecting the iCast, you get a glitch. But the sound quality also is good for a one room or even a short room. You can add other features like subwoofers and stuff like that, but basically that's dope. And also the 20 watts here is the power saving. You can use a 20 watts solar panel, a 20 watts battery to light up your TV. So wherever you are, whether there's electricity or no electricity, that's one thing that I have seen noticeable about this thing. The power is just better. 20 watts is good and bright. And also the fact that this TV, right, comes in a portable package and is the barrel is just too much, it's just clean. You can check out the thickness here. It's very portable. Thickness is very portable. And it's not that heavy. It's very light in weight. Right. So basically for an entry-level TV, this is good. It's a smart TV. You can get a lot of things from this TV. Right. So let's check it out. We're gonna check out the outside appearance of this TV and wrap it up. Alright.
Today's video was brought to you by Gincom, Massive Appliances.